The first few minutes of your day set the tone for everything that follows. Start your morning by saying this powerful affirmation: "Today, I am open to all the good the universe has for me. I welcome abundance, love, and peace into my life." These words may seem simple, but their impact can be profound when said with intention. Begin your day with this affirmation to align your mind and spirit with positivity, and watch how opportunities and joy unfold naturally. Mornings hold a unique energy that shapes the rest of your day. When you wake up, your mind is like a blank canvas, ready to absorb the first thoughts and emotions you feed it. Starting with a positive affirmation aligns your subconscious mind with your goals and desires, creating a foundation for success. Scientific studies suggest that morning rituals can significantly influence productivity and mood. By setting a powerful intention, you not only prepare yourself mentally, but also project positive energy outward, attracting the same positivity in return. Think of your morning affirmation as a seed planted in fertile soil. The earlier you nurture it with focus and belief, the more likely it is to grow into tangible results. This simple yet intentional practice can create a ripple effect that touches every aspect of your day. Words are more than just sounds. They carry vibrations that influence your thoughts, emotions, and actions. When you start your day with empowering words, you set the stage for a mindset shift that aligns with your deepest desires. Positive affirmations activate the brain's reward system, releasing feel-good chemicals like dopamine. This not only lifts your mood, but also enhances your motivation and creativity. It's not about empty repetition. It's about truly feeling the words as you say them. Every word you speak holds energy, and when directed with intention, it becomes a tool for transformation. By consistently speaking affirmations in the morning, you rewire your brain to focus on opportunities rather than obstacles, paving the way for meaningful progress. Simply saying words isn't enough. It's the emotion and belief behind them that make them effective. When you speak your morning affirmation, take a moment to truly feel its meaning. Visualize what abundance, love, and peace look like in your life. Picture yourself accepting opportunities, enjoying deep connections, and experiencing inner calm. This mental imagery strengthens the connection between your affirmation and your subconscious mind. You can enhance the practice by standing in front of a mirror as you say your affirmation. Looking into your own eyes while speaking sends a powerful message of self-belief and commitment to your intentions. The key is consistency. Make it a daily habit to speak your affirmation with enthusiasm and trust. Over time, you'll notice a shift in how you approach challenges and accept possibilities. To amplify the impact of your morning affirmation, pair it with gratitude. After speaking your intention, take a moment to reflect on 3 things you're thankful for. Gratitude elevates your vibration and opens your heart to receive more blessings. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, which aligns perfectly with the positive energy of your affirmation. It also fosters resilience, helping you navigate difficulties with a sense of optimism and strength. For example, after saying your morning affirmation, you might think, "I'm grateful for my health, my supportive friends, and the opportunities I have today." This practice not only enhances your mood, but also trains your mind to notice and attract more of what you value. It's natural to feel skeptical or resistant when starting a new habit, especially if affirmations are new to you. Doubts can creep in, making you question their effectiveness. Instead of pushing these doubts away, acknowledge them. Remind yourself that change takes time and that this practice is an investment in your well-being. The more you commit to it, the easier it becomes. Writing your affirmation down can also help solidify its impact. Seeing the words on paper reinforces their message and makes them feel more tangible. This simple act can dissolve resistance and build confidence in the process. Turning your affirmation into a ritual ensures that it becomes a natural and cherished part of your day. Rituals anchor your intentions, making them easier to sustain and more impactful. Begin by choosing a quiet space where you feel relaxed. Light a candle, play soft music, or simply sit in silence as you recite your affirmation. This creates a calming atmosphere that enhances focus and intention. You can also pair your affirmation with a physical activity such as yoga, stretching, or sipping your morning coffee. This association strengthens the habit, making it more enjoyable and easier to maintain. Your morning affirmation doesn't have to end once you leave the house. Carry its energy with you throughout the day by revisiting it during quiet moments. Use reminders like sticky notes, phone alarms, or journaling prompts to reconnect with your intention. This helps you stay aligned and focused, even when faced with challenges. Each time you repeat your affirmation, do so with the same enthusiasm and belief as you did in the morning. This repetition reinforces its power, keeping you motivated and inspired. Consistency is the secret to turning a simple morning practice into lasting transformation. Over time, morning affirmations reprogram your mind to focus on abundance, love, and peace as a default. With repeated use, affirmations create a mental framework that supports positive choices and actions. This framework becomes the foundation for achieving your goals, building resilience, and maintaining inner harmony. And the beauty of this practice is its simplicity. It doesn't require special tools or a lot of time, just a willingness to commit and believe. As you continue, you'll notice that your mindset naturally shifts to align with the life you want to create. Visualization is a powerful companion to your morning affirmations. It allows you to immerse yourself in the reality you want to create, bridging the gap between your current state and your goals. When paired with affirmations, visualization amplifies their energy and helps embed them deeply into your subconscious. After reciting your affirmation, take a moment to close your eyes and picture your day unfolding exactly as you desire. Imagine yourself moving through tasks with ease, radiating confidence and attracting positive outcomes. The more detailed and vivid the image, the stronger the connection to your affirmation. Visualization isn't just about seeing, it involves engaging all your senses. Feel the warmth of a handshake during a successful meeting. Hear the laughter of loved ones during joyful moments, or sense the satisfaction of completing a challenging project. These sensory details make your visualizations more real and compelling. Incorporating visualization into your affirmation practice ensures that you aren't merely speaking words, but actively experiencing the emotions and sensations tied to your desires. This not only boosts motivation, but also sets the tone for inspired action throughout the day. Morning affirmations and visualizations are excellent for starting the day strong, but how do you maintain that energy? One way is to celebrate small wins throughout the day. This practice reinforces your affirmations message and keeps your focus on progress rather than perfection. Acknowledge every positive outcome, no matter how minor it seems. Did you complete a task early? Feel proud. Did a conversation flow smoothly? Recognize it as a win. These small victories validate the energy you set in motion with your morning practice and encourage you to keep going. Celebrating small wins isn't just about boosting confidence. It's about creating momentum. Success builds upon success, and acknowledging your progress fuels a sense of accomplishment that propels you forward. Over time, these small wins accumulate, leading to larger breakthroughs. As the day ends, reflect on your successes and revisit your morning affirmation, By reinforcing your intention in the evening, you close the day with gratitude and purpose, priming your mind for another positive start tomorrow. While mornings are crucial for setting intentions, evenings are just as important for reflection and resetting. Before going to bed, revisit your morning affirmation and assess how it influenced your day. This helps you stay accountable to your goals and deepens your connection to the practice. An effective wind-down routine could involve journaling about the moments when your affirmation guided you. Write down instances where positivity shaped your decisions or interactions. This not only reinforces the affirmation, but also helps you identify areas for growth. Pair your reflection with calming activities such as deep breathing, meditation, or listening to soothing music. These activities help quiet the mind and prepare you for restorative sleep, which is essential for maintaining a high vibration. Ending the day with positivity ensures that you carry a sense of gratitude and intention into the next morning. It creates a continuous cycle of inspiration and alignment, strengthening your affirmation practice over time. The true magic of morning affirmations lies in their consistency. While the practice might feel simple, its long-term effects can be revolutionary if maintained with discipline and enthusiasm. Start by committing to your affirmation for at least 21 days. This time frame helps solidify the habit and allows you to experience its full impact. Use tools like journals, phone reminders, or habit trackers to keep yourself accountable. As your practice evolves, you may find yourself naturally refining your affirmations. You might start with a focus on abundance and later expand to include gratitude, self-love, or specific goals. This adaptability ensures that the practice remains relevant and inspiring. Over time, morning affirmations become second nature, seamlessly incorporating into your routine. Their influence extends beyond the morning, shaping your mindset, decisions, and interactions throughout the day. The longer you maintain this habit, the deeper its benefits grow, creating a life filled with purpose and positivity. In just 1 minute each morning, you can set in motion a powerful wave of positivity that touches every part of your day. From energizing affirmations to vivid visualizations and celebrating small wins, these practices work together to help you create a life of intention and joy. Start your morning tomorrow with a single empowering thought, and notice how it transforms your mindset and actions. Keep in mind that the universe is always ready to support you when you align with its energy. If this resonates with you, consider liking and subscribing for more insights and practical tips to elevate your life. Together, let's accept the power of positivity and intention